Question number 11th. The reduction potential value of CO2 plus and chromium 3 plus has given. Cobalt 2 plus value is minus 0.277. Chromium 3 plus value, the reduction potential value minus 0.744. So greater reduction potential value is the best oxidizing agent. So among the given metal ions, the best oxidizing will be CO2 plus. So therefore answer is 2 for 11th question. So now come to the question number 12. So the standard reduction potential value is given in the order according to the data. Silver plus is greater than Cu2 plus, Cu2 plus is greater than Pb2 plus is greater than Fe2 plus. So therefore, according to the reduction potential value, Ag plus, Cu2 plus, Pb2 plus having greater reduction potential value than iron. So therefore, these are all best oxidizing agent that will oxidize iron. So therefore, for a given question, 12th question, so answer will be 4th answer, all. Next, 13th question. A spoon of copper is placed into the ferrous sulfate solution. Now, the copper 2 plus reduction potential value, which is given 0.34. So iron 2 plus reduction potential value, which is minus 0.44. So now here, the oxidation potential value, which is reduction potential value is 0.34, but oxidation potential value is lower. So therefore, copper cannot oxidize. Why? Because lower oxidation potential value for copper than iron. So copper will be having lower oxidation potential value. So this cannot oxidize. So therefore, no reaction takes place. So answer 4, fourth option will be correct option for 13th question. Next, 14th question. There are some statement has given Ag plus can reduce Pb, but Cu2 plus cannot reduce Ag, and Pb2 plus is also cannot reduce copper, but Ag plus can reduce Pb. So that means Ag plus having a highest reduction potential value, that will be the best oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent order, silver is greater than copper is greater than lead. So therefore, reducing character, which is exactly opposite, so lead will be greater than copper will be greater than silver. So therefore, for correct option will be 3 for a given question is the 14th. Next, question number 15th. The question number 15th, the reduction potential value is given, which is zinc is minus 0.76, for iron 2 plus will be minus 0.44. So more SRP value, more negative SRP value is the best reducing agent. So greater reduction potential value will of the cation, metal cation, he will be the best oxidizing agent, the best reducing agent. So therefore, for 15th question, so zinc will be having highest reduction potential, lower reduction potential value, the best reducing agent that will reduces Fe2 plus to Fa. Next, question number 16. So based on the values is given, based on the values of XYZ, which is 0.52 minus 3.03 and 1.18. So more negative value, the best reducing agent. So more negative value according to the given values, Y will be having a more reduction potential value. So that will be the best reducing agent. So Y will be Y is the more reducing agent than Z. Z will be the greater reducing agent than X. So now come to the question number 17. So the reduction potential value as given Z is greater than Y, Y is greater than X. So greater reduction potential value, that will be the best oxidizing agent. So zinc will oxidize Y, Y will oxidize X. So Y will oxidize X, zinc will oxidize Y, but Y cannot oxidize Z. So therefore, Y will oxidize X, but Y cannot oxidize Z. So first option will be correct for 17th question. Question number 18. The reduction potential value of metal MnO has given, and the reduction potential value which is the lowest, which is more minus negative character for O, oxygen. So that will be the best reducing agent. So oxygen will be the more reducing agent than N, and which will be the better reducing agent than M. So this is the given order. So first option will be the right answer for 18th question. Now come to the 19th question. So reactivity series. So according to the reactivity series, zinc will be in the top in the reactivity series, after that copper, after that silver. So the more reactive, that means that will be ready to lose an electron. So zinc will be more ready to lose an electron after that copper, silver. So therefore second option will be the right answer for 19th question. So next 20th question. So zinc is used as a protective layer on the iron metal. Why? Because zinc will be having a higher oxidation potential. For 19th question, correct answer will be 3, because reactivity series zinc will be having higher in the reactivity series, that can lose an electron. So zinc will be higher in the reactivity series, so that will be having tendency to lose an electron. After that copper, after that silver. Now the oxidation potential value of zinc, which is plus 0.76, copper will be the minus 0.34, and if you take iron, will be plus 0.44. So zinc is used as a galvanizing agent for to avoid rusting of iron. So zinc will be having a form protective layer which is forms like slide zinc oxide or something. So that will be having passive in nature. So the zinc will oxidation potential is greater. So that will form protective layer in the iron metal. So zinc is used for a protective coating on the iron surfaces.